Welcome back everyone. Thank you for stopping by. Today's look is inspired by pretty shades of pink and purple. If you would like to recreate this look with me, just don't go anywhere and let's get started. Prep the skin with a BB cream since I want this look to be glowy and rosy, but not perfect. I then apply a blur stick to make some areas smoother. This particular product is tinted, so it gives me a bit more opacity. Now I'm applying concealer to areas where I need the most, but if you have fairly good skin, you can skip this step. Everything with a finishing powder or a powder foundation if that's your preference. Do your eyebrows in any preferred fashion. Here I'm working lightly with a pencil to fill some sparse areas, and then I take a brush and a more opaque product to finish the tail of the brows. And take your time. Eyebrows can make or break your look, so don't rush it. My Morphe palette, I'm going to make a combination of all the pale pink colors with purple undertones and apply them to my lid. Worry about any creasing on your eyelids. This will not be noticeable, I promise. Notice how I'm laying down the color and at the same time shaping the lid to define my eyes even further. I then flip the brush and start blending those edges. Take the same mixture and apply a thin layer on your lower lash line as a base. To make the eyes pop, I'm taking a deep pink color on the lower lash line as well. You can go deeper or lighter, it's all about personal taste. using a loose sparkly eyeshadow. I dusted on the center of the eyes to bring more attention. I could have used glitter, but I went for a more wearable look. Apply mascara, which by the way, this mascara looks beautiful the first 10 minutes and then it becomes a hot mess, so stay away from this mascara. It is not a good formula. Using a very light bronzer since I want everything to be about the blush, but you can contour or skip altogether if you like. Eyelashes look so pretty, but sadly they didn't work out. With my COVERGIRL trio, I'm using the first two shades combined. Be generous, this product is very light on the skin. My STILA highlighter and apply it on top as a blush as well to make everything look glowy and natural rather than harsh and sparkly. If you have texture on your skin, this product is a must. Highly recommend. To secure longevity and fill them in. Apply lip gloss and you're good to go. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for the company. If you like this video, please share it, like it, subscribe, And if you have any requests, let me know. And until the next time, take care. Bye.
That's all for this episode of House of Olive. Be sure to check out past episodes and make sure you subscribe so you stay in the loop of future episodes that'll be coming your way. Hope you enjoyed the program, and thanks for tuning in.